Light therapy is a game changer in the skincare industry because it's a non-invasive, really effective skin rejuvenation treatment. So VogueNow sent me this Dermawave treatment mask to compare and share. But these light therapy treatments, if done in spas, they do not come cheap. A single treatment can cost you anywhere between $75 and even upwards of $500, which brings me to this amazing life-changing product I'm gonna talk to you about today. And I'm sure you would have seen the LED light therapy masks all over the internet, but wait, I have a treat for you. So this is the Dermawave Photon Mask by VogueNow. Check it out. This is the mask, and then it has this neck piece. And it is the next best alternative to all of those expensive spa treatments done by celebrities and influencers out there. Now, there's a lot of similar subpar masks out there, but this is the real deal. Dermawave is a premium mask with a 1 to 2 year warranty. The next thing is other masks have fewer LEDs and lower LED emission intensities that may not provide you with effective results. But Dermawave has 192 of the brightest LEDs. It's very cool. So it's a bit heavy, a little weighty, but for the benefits it provides, it's totally worth it. And besides, you'll be laying on your back for this treatment, so it won't really matter. The weight won't matter at all. And as you can see, the mask comes with the neck support, which is optional. So you can use the face mask, or you can use the neck piece, or you can treat your neck too. So either way. They also come with these MPSs or microcurrents, okay? These are stimulation prongs, which basically provide your skin with low intensity microcurrents that help in the absorption capability of skin care nutrients and skin rejuvenation. But this is completely optional. You also get a very detailed manual right here with all the information regarding light therapy, directions, remote control, and much more. Also, when you purchase this, they send you a detailed video, which is basically a walkthrough of the mask, and it's such a lifesaver. Super easy to use. Before you use the mask, make sure that you clean your face, then attach both white cords and the one end of the black cord into the remote control. Plug the other end of the black cord into the wall, and then just begin. So select the desired color, the time for the treatment, and enjoy the treatment. You can meditate and you can just relax while the mask is on. So you can use it like 2 to 3 times a week in the beginning for like 15 to 20 minutes, and then increase the time as your convenience later. Also, after using it for a while and reaching your skin goal, you can just use it like once a week. So it's super easy. Now, this treatment from Dermawave is your entire 360 skincare solution. It's great for skin brightening, stimulating collagen, removing lines, and getting rid of acne. It emits 7 LED colors, and each of them has a particular benefit. So, for example, the red light has anti-aging benefits. That's my favorite. It promotes collagen and elastin production. The blue light calms the skin and helps reduce acne. Green light brightens skin, lightens spots, and so on. You can read about more benefits from the manual. And they're right here. This is very cool. So I've tried this for like 4 weeks, and I've started noticing changes on my skin in terms of texture and diminishing lines, thank God. And I'm excited to possibly reduce my spa bills. Most excited about that. I think it's working, and I'll keep using this, and I'll update you guys on how it goes. But for now, it is definitely a thumbs up for Dermawave Photon Mask from VogueNow. I will add a link to them if you want to check it out below. So comment below if you've tried this brand or if you've tried any of the other brands. I'd love to hear from you. Remember, subscribe to this channel for more great reviews of products that improve your life.